Welcome to our first video from this new topic, which is called dynamics, where we are going to study the movement and the forces that cause that movement. And since it's the beginning of this new topic, we're going to work with the first exercise from our book, College Physics. And in this exercise, we must find the net external force. Okay, let's read it. Let's take a look at it. And it says, a 63-kilogram sprinter starts a race with an acceleration of 4.20 meters per square second. What is the net external force on him? Okay, so let's go to our blackboard. It's going to be very easy. And the first thing that I recommend to you is draw. Draw the situation that you have there, and that will make the things easier for you. Siempre traten de dibujar la situación que tienen allí, y eso, la verdad, les va a ayudar un montón en sus ejercicios. So we have the sprinter right here, starting a race. Oh, such a long arm. Okay. He's about to start that race, and because of that, he's going to have an acceleration, which goes go to the front. Yeah. So we have an acceleration in that direction to the front, and in this case, the force will have the same direction of the acceleration. I'm going to draw it right here, force. There it is. Okay, but before we start solving this exercise, I'm gonna take a look at my formula chart for the Newton's second law of motion. It's right here. There are only two formulas, and the first one is the Newton's second law of motion, which states the addition of all the forces is equal to the mass times the acceleration, or the net external force is equal to the mass times the acceleration. La primera fórmula nos dice que la sumatoria de todas las fuerzas es igual a la masa por la aceleración, o la fuerza neta externa igual a masa por aceleración. The second formula is about the weight, but we don't need to calculate that weight, so we will go on with the first formula. There it is. Okay. Now, before we continue, we need to know something. Here we are about to start working with a new unit, which is a kilogram. We have worked with meters per square second, which is the unit of the acceleration, but we haven't worked with the kilogram yet. Besides, today we're going to work with a new unit. So let's take a look at all the units that we have here. First of all, let me tell you that if you can see here, we will have the mass and the acceleration multiplied each other. Vamos a tener la masa y la aceleración multiplicadas una con la otra. For that, we will need to multiply the kilograms of the mass by the meters per square second. So, what is going to be that? Well, actually, that it has a unit. Kilograms times meters per square second is equal to Newton. Kilogramos por metro sobre segundo al cuadrado es Newton. Newton is the unit of the force. So, now that we know that, let's try to solve that exercise. And, okay, first of all, we have to add all the forces, but we only have one force, which is this one. So, I'll write it here. Force is equal to, the mass is equal to 63 kilograms. And the acceleration is equal to 4.2 meters per square second. There. Okay, we have to multiply both numbers. That is, let me see, 63 times 4.2. It's equal to 264 0.6, sorry, 0.6. And well, we have to multiply the numbers. What about the units? We have to multiply kilograms by meters per square seconds, and the answer is Newton. And that's the end of that exercise. Ahí ya termina ese ejercicio. Eso es todo lo que nos están pidiendo. ¿Cuál es la fuerza neta externa que se realiza sobre el corredor cuando él empieza a correr? I hope you could understand it. It's very easy. We're going to start this new topic with the easiest exercise, but as long as we go on, we will have to increase the level of difficulty. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and goodbye.